Welcome to the National Care Alliances. This particular video is going to be about the Care Alliance website and the Care Alliance app, more so about the Care Alliance apps. So the National Care Alliance is about improving every area of our lives and society. And so again, in this video, I want to show here how you can download the Care Alliance app. Let me get that for you here. So if you go in your Apple App Store and you look under the word Care Alliances, this is what you should be able to see. And for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to use an Android device. And so, but again, to get access to the Care Alliance app, you just simply go into your Apple App Store and you can download the Care Alliance app. It's completely free. And everything that I'm going to show you here in the demonstration works the same on all Apple devices. Now, for Android, it's a little more to it. And by the way, there are other apps that we have, the My Day Will app, the King Streets app, and there's a couple other ones that we have that are not yet ready. But we are testing those. And then the same thing with the iPhone app as well. I'll show you this if I can get it to. Let's see here. Yes, if you come down to here, you can see our other apps here as well. So that's the iPhone and Android app. So again, just to download it, you go into your Google Play. Now, what you may have to look out for in the Google Android Play Store is that the Care Alliance, depending on the model of your Android or the software version you have, you may not be able to download it. We just found that out recently. But so if you're not able to download the app on your Android device, then please go to the National Care Alliance website, and it will come up on your device as a responsive website. Even though this looks like a website, this is actually a web application that's completely coded to do the exact same thing that the app can do. All right, so let me show you here what the app can do. We are going to mirror this as well. So here, so I can make that bigger. That is actually mirrored by my phone. And so I'm going to start here. And as you see, these are our 4 current apps. The LifeQuest Vision Quest app does exist and does work. It's not in app stores yet, but the Care Alliance is what we're going to be talking about today. This is all part of our Help Near Me system. You can download the Care Alliance app right now. And this is on an Android device. That's what I'm going to be doing the description based on. So you just simply click on the Care Alliance app, and you're going to see here that it comes into the initial homepage here. And as you see the Care Alliance there, you got the little waffle component here, and we're going to click on there, the hamburger system. And then here, there's the search button. That's our Help Near Me button. This is the overall search button altogether. Some other additional features if you want to filter out your search. But you have the Who Are You Life and Self-Assessment. We have a video on how each one of these sections work. So if you want to find out more about those, please go online and see those videos. And it's some pretty interesting stuff. But the entire system is to help you facilitate, manage, and improve all the areas of your life so that I can help. We need help because we need each other. I need help as far as being resources, the calendar, join and find and create a community, life strategies, create a plan, the edutainment, culture, and lifestyles, the mentoring and life coaching portals. The My Story is set up for you to share your experiences and testimony. The Day Will app, as I showed you earlier, is one of the other apps that we have available for life management. Our Spotlight section, and the National Care Alliance Property Management Investment Group. Now, the Care Alliance TV and the alliances are here. If you click here, so you go here and you can see the alliances. And what you can see is the websites that we have for our partners on the ground. We're high tech and high touch. And so these are all the additional websites and things that we have for our partners that are physically on the ground in the states, in the counties and cities that are working with us. There's going to be a lot more of those to come as we partner with people all around the United States and all around the world. You obviously can see more of the outline here of the corresponding sections. But the TV, Caroline's TV is, why is it? There we go. So on the Caroline's TV, you can see our training system here based on the North American Industry Code system. So you can click in here, and then anywhere you click in here, you'll be able to see the videos of various categories. We're going to be adding those, and we're going to be expanding this library a lot more. And then, of course, you can go back to the home. And then I want to show you real quick our Help Near Me button. Now, the difference between here and, let me get that back, between here and the app, I want to show you some of the slight differences. They share the same resources, but they do kind of respond a little bit different. So again, this right here is what you're seeing. It's the way the app is going to look on your device or on your phone. So if you click the search button, I'm going to click that button. What is supposed to happen is that it is supposed to find your location. And then in the process of doing that, and then at that point, it shows you where you are. And then it shows based on the vicinity of where you are in a relationship, or where those organizations are in reference to where you physically are. And so as you see, I just clicked on that. It shows me here. Now, if I do that on the website, they're still the same database. The website is not going to give you that specific location, but it still is going to show you that same list, but it's going to show it to you alphabetically. So again, this is the Care Alliance website, National Care Alliances, or the carealliances.com. And then you can go and get the app at Care Alliances with the S at the end to be able to get your app. And then here, just simply click here for home to reset it. And then here, you can do a general search. So let's say if you say health, I'm going to put that in. Let me hit search here. Now, all the systems in our database. Now, one thing about the app, it does not show you what this total count is of how many different care alliances that you may be, how many coordinating organizations that you may be seeing. It could literally be 50, it could be 100, it could be 1,000, it could be thousands. So, but what's slightly different on the app, and of course, we're going to continue improving these all the time. We're always looking to improve them. And so here, if I did that on the website, if I put in the word health, and I hit search, in our entire database of 2 million organizations, then it shows you there's 21,273 organizations that are in our database that have some reference to the word health. And as you see, these are officially registered organizations in the United States, even though they show some out of the country. But then it goes back into alphabetical order as well here. So I'm showing you the difference and the contrast between the app and the website. See, so here I can expand those options. You can put in additional information. You can search by category, city, state, zip code, and so on here. And so we are committed to not doing this alone. So we're always looking for partners, collaborations, workshops. Just anything and everything that helps make the world better. And so this is completely free. Please share, like, suggest, comment, let us know what you think. It's definitely not perfect, but we are absolutely committed to trying to make things better every single day. It's an absolute honor to be part of wanting to make the world better. We wish you the absolute best. Please take care, and please join the Care Alliance, and we welcome you to the Care Alliances. And this is also part of the Care Alliance Plus. So you'll hear those two things and references. And as you see on the site, these are the Care Alliance Plus section. Please take care. Thank you.